Hi, I'm Subhash from dsf.my. Have you noticed this new trend of people converting old vans and old off-roaders into campers? Well, Perodua have definitely noticed. At this year's Malaysia Auto Show, they showed us this, the Aruz Escape. Now, it's not fully deployed, but when it's fully deployed, you've got a tent on the roof, you've got a patio. It's basically a car that you can daily for your daily commute. And then on the weekend, you can take it out to the wilderness like this, and you can set up tent and have a day out. So they're not selling this, but what they're doing is this entire month of August, they're giving you 3,000 ringgit off the Perodua Aruz. So you can actually go out there, buy one of these yourselves, and use that 3,000 ringgit to get all the camping equipment you want, and then set it up yourself, and you have yourself a budget camper van which you can use every day. Now, I know the Perodua Aruz has been around since 2019, but they've actually been giving it small updates over the years. So if you come around the side, you'll notice there's a new integrated side step. So even though the car is nice and high off the ground, 220 millimeters of ground clearance, you actually have a nice side step to make it easier to go in and out of the vehicle. And with that new side step comes some new badging, the Aruz logo on the side. Now, the actual car you buy might come with this color. It's the new red, which is something they also added over the years, but it won't come with this black color wrap with like some mountains on the sides. This is something that you can do yourself, and also the black painted alloy rims, something you can do yourself with the 3,000 ringgit that you save. Now, along with all those other changes, there's also now an auto locking feature. So when you drive above 20 kilometers per hour, the car will lock itself. And then if you accidentally get into a little crash, the lock will unlock itself automatically. But you've also got ASA 2.0, so Perodua's active safety advanced driver assist system. It's all there, so it makes it a lot more safer to drive a car like this. Actually, the character of the Aruz really suits the camper lifestyle. This is a very simple ladder frame, ladder chassis SUV. It may not have all-wheel drive, but just look at the way it absorbs all the bumps on this kind of dirt road. It's perfect for this kind of situation. Of course, with an off-roader, you can go to muddy, difficult terrain. But if you want the camper lifestyle, you actually want to take your family along with you. You don't want to put them through too much of a struggle. This kind of car, perfect for that. And it's actually one of the last Perodua vehicles with a simple 4-speed auto, conventional auto, very minimal maintenance, very basic, very durable gearbox. And yeah, those things just make it so suitable for this kind of lifestyle vehicle. And just because it's basic doesn't mean it doesn't have enough amenities. Now, it's not the most high-tech Perodua, but it has ASA, it has Perodua Drive Assist, so you have a lot of safety features that might be missing from an older van or older SUV. At the same time, you have a reverse camera for maneuvering this car, and you have things like the integrated smart tag reader, and you have aircon controls which are digital, and you have a secondary aircon control for the rear passengers. So it's a very all-rounded package. But the real reason to buy an Aruz is because it's a tough SUV that can easily seat 7 people. And if, let's say, you do decide to convert it into a camper van, you can actually fold these 2 seats down, and you have a lot more space for a cooler box, some more tent equipment. It can just become your lifestyle vehicle for the weekend. So if you're looking to get into the camper lifestyle, or you just want a nice, comfortable, runabout 7-seater that you can use on the weekends as an activity vehicle, why not consider the Aruz this month and get your 3,000 ringgit discount from Perodua. I'm Subhash from dsf.my. Thanks for watching.